Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A35. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on whatever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. Finally, hit send at the bottom left corner of this Samsung device and receive right next to send at the bottom of A35. Also on this Samsung smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then you need to select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. To input this key though, select Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. Either way, wherever you decided, wait for your devices to connect. And after a couple of seconds, close your ads. To check out all your transferred ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!